Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove highlights in PDF documents on Zotero. So what you want to do once you sign into your account, go ahead and click the web library at the top there, and that will take you over to where you have all your documents stored. I have one document here, so I'm going to click and open up this document. You can click on it and just click the open button on the right hand side, or simply double click and open up the document. It's going to open up on a new tab so you can see the content of this PDF document. Now you want to go ahead and find where you have the text highlight in the document. So for example, this section here, I can click on it and it's going to highlight the text where it's highlighted, and you will see from the left hand side that it shows you which one controls it. So all you have to do if you want to remove this, just simply go ahead and click the three dots, and then you have the delete button. You click on that. Alternatively, you can find the text, click on it, then click on delete on your keyboard, and it's going to also remove it for you. That's how you can easily go ahead and delete highlighted text in PDF documents on Zotero.